Let's go over the most common reasons why the Icemaker isn't working and how to resolve them. If ice is not coming out of the dispenser and it seems unresponsive, see whether dispenser might be locked by checking the lock indicator on the control panel. If it is lit up, it means both the dispenser and the control panel are currently locked. To solve this, press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds to unlock the dispenser and control panel. While we are looking at the control panel, also check if the Icemaker is on. If the indicator light is off, turn it back on by pressing and holding the ice on off button for 3 seconds. If the Icemaker was off, it can take up to 90 minutes for it to start making new ice. If this is the first time making ice after installation, it may take up to 24 hours for the Icemaker to begin making ice. If the ice bin has plenty of ice, but no ice is coming out of the dispenser, take the ice bin out and see if the ice cubes are stuck together. Shake the ice loose and remove the ice chunk that remains stuck. Next, check the chute. Ice fragments may get caught over time and create an ice buildup in the chute. If this is the case, clear the chute of any clogging. Now reattach the ice bin carefully and the dispenser should work properly. If the Icemaker is not producing ice and the ice bin is empty, even though the Icemaker is on, check the feeler arm. If the feeler arm is pushed up, the Icemaker will stop making ice to prevent overflow. Make sure that the feeler arm is not obstructed and can move freely. The automatic indoor Icemaker can produce between 70 and 182 ice cubes in a 24-hour period. But if the Icemaker is not making enough ice or is not producing ice at all, and everything inside the refrigerator seems to work fine, check and make sure your refrigerator is connected to a drinkable water source and the valve connecting the water supply is fully open. And that's the end of our troubleshooting guide on the indoor Icemaker not working. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please contact your LG Electronics Service Center. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.